Hi everyone, it's Carling at the Park Group, and I'm so excited to be here in West End at Town Center in the heart of Nocatee. And I'm here with Ryan of ICI Homes, and she's going to show us a move-in ready, stunning townhome. Thanks for having us, Ryan.
Of course. Hi, everyone. Today we're going to take a look at this spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome. This is the Castillo model. Starting off, we have this spacious porch. Great spot to have your coffee in the morning.
I love that.
Let's take a look.
All right. I love the door.
Isn't it beautiful?
Really nice. And right from the jump, nature is going to take a peek into your
storage, coat closet.
Love that. That's great for a townhome to have all this storage. Stunning living space. I love how open it is.
Yeah, very nice open concept. Great for entertaining. We have this unique brick wall that I think is just one of the greatest features.
I love it. It adds dimension. It's such a cool look.
We have the spacious kitchen with quartz counters, the double stack cabinets, which is great to give you extra storage in a townhome.
That's so nice.
Also the soft close on the cabinets and drawers.
Oh, that's an incredible feature. And this is a very large island. It's hard to see on camera, but it's very large.
Breakfast bar or prepping area.
You can fit a ton of bar stools around here.
Absolutely. We have the powder bath.
That's really nice to have right off the kitchen for your guests.
And a 2-car garage. This unit does have epoxy flooring, which is a great feature. Under the stairs, tons of storage.
Fabulous. I did take a peek in there, and it is very large under the stairs.
Some kids like to make it like a little reading area or their play area.
Very cute. Yeah, like a little play zone hidden away.
It's always the kids' favorite feature.
And reminder, we are in West End at Town Center in the heart of Nocatee. That means you can walk, take your golf cart, bike to shopping, dining, healthcare.
In the center of everything. It's a great location in Nocatee.
Absolutely. And maintenance-free living here with these townhomes.
Absolutely.
Okay, nature is taking a peek into the secondary bedrooms.
Nice large closets.
Absolutely. Tons of natural light coming in as well. I love how private and separate this is from the master. Yes. The flooring is really beautiful as well. I wanted to make sure
this unit has LVP flooring throughout.
So nice.
The secondary bathroom.
Love that. Tile to the ceiling. Built-in shelf for your shampoos and all the good stuff. Lots of storage too. I know we didn't open that last one, but there's tons of storage in this townhome, which is so nice.
And it's nice the laundry room is centrally located between the bedrooms. Makes it a lot easier to keep up on laundry on a regular basis.
Yes, it does, so it doesn't pile up on you. Very large, hard to see on camera, but that's a very large laundry room. And now the luxurious owner's retreat.
It's really got great space with that tray ceiling. You'll see the king size bed and how much extra room we still have.
Absolutely. Still a ton of space with this very large furniture.
And great lighting in this unit.
Absolutely. I love all the windows there.
Nice view out front.
Oh, yes.
And then the luxurious master bath with the walk-in shower.
I love this.
Walk-in closet. Tons of space in this master.
This is the largest bathroom I've ever seen in a townhome. It's so amazing. Kind of spa-like.
Yes, absolutely.
I love that walk-in. Beautiful with that bench in there as well. And I love the drawers and all the storage that you have there and the vanity.
Plenty of space for your linens, your toiletries.
Absolutely. And I love the tray ceilings in here. It makes it feel so much
larger.
larger. Yeah. And now this unique space, what is?
This unique space is the nook. It can be used as a reading corner, a little office space. You could put kids' desks in there and it could be a homework spot. Kind of a little neat extra in this unit.
I love that.
And then we have the private balcony. Another great spot for morning coffee or unwinding at the end of the day. It is screened. Got some great views.
So nice. You can just hang out here morning, afternoon, evening.
All day.
Great views, yes. And it's very private and quiet out here as well. That's so nice.
It's very relaxing.
And it's covered. You have lights out here as well. That's so nice. And this particular one, you have a fabulous view of Lake Lee, which is so nice. Very peaceful.
Very peaceful. And the last feature that we wanted to showcase is the epoxy flooring in this 2-car garage. This is not standard. This is an upgrade for this unit. Definitely a preferred feature here in Florida.
I love it. This is such a spacious garage for a townhome.
And it helps it make it look clean.
Yes, I love the colors. It's so light, bright, and airy. Well, thank you so much for having us, Ryan. Can you remind everyone where we're at?
Yep, we are at 20 Islington Lane here in West End. We have 7 move-in ready nows, and 8 technically if you want to include our model. So if you'd like to come take a look, contact me. I'd be happy to schedule a showing.
Awesome. Thank you for having us, and we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.